Meet Heliot EnviroSense, a smart, solar-powered weather station. It tracks temperature, humidity, wind speed, wind direction, and rainfall. Stay updated with real-time weather data and get forecasts and alerts on your phone. The Heliot dashboard stores your data safely in the cloud. You can see past trends to help make smart decisions. Customize Heliot EnviroSense to measure soil pH, temperature, moisture, leaf wetness, and solar radiation. Moreover, you receive pest and disease alerts, spraying, and irrigation tips. Protect your crops and keep them healthy. Our crop guide gives helpful advice to boost your yield. Heliot EnviroSense is smart, secure weather monitoring for farmers. Know your environment and shape your future. Welcome to the future of farming. Heliot SoilScope, a smart soil monitoring system powered by AI, IoT, and solar energy. Heliot SoilScope features sensors for checking air humidity and temperature, along with a soil sensor that measures moisture, temperature, electrical conductivity, pH levels, and key nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. The advanced monitoring unit includes 4G LTE and Wi-Fi for easy connectivity and has a rechargeable battery. Its bright display is perfect for use in fields, orchards, polyhouses, and landscaping. The Heliot.ai Dashboard V3 provides live data, analytics, and 3 months of historical charts. Heliot SoilScope offers smart soil monitoring for better farming, helping you know your soil and boost your yield. Introducing Heliot Indoor Grower Environment Control System, a smart climate controller for indoor farming. Heliot's climate controller boosts crop yield and quality by automatically managing temperature, humidity, light, and carbon dioxide levels. It can be controlled remotely via smartphone, tablet, or computer, utilizing IoT and sensors to create optimal growing conditions. Key features include sensors for humidity and temperature, automatic control of foggers, cooling pads, and fans, timer and scheduler options, and the ability to set desired humidity and temperature levels. The system allows switching between automatic sensor mode and manual remote operation. The dashboard offers live sensor data, equipment status and alerts, remote monitoring and control, and a mobile app for easy access. Customization options include sensors for soil pH, soil temperature, soil moisture, leaf wetness, carbon dioxide, and light intensity. Heliot Indoor Grower Environment Control System ensures smarter indoor farming for better crops.
I am Sisir. I am the co-founder of Navriti Innovation Private Limited. At Navriti, we are innovating towards Heliot.ai smart farming solutions for the smallholder farmers. Heliot systems enable the farmers to have live weather data, soil data, as well as plant-related information such as crop advisory using IoT and sensors, and also provide autonomous irrigation. Heliot systems enable smallholder farmers with climate smart and climate resilient agricultural practices.